Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. Quick CB77 Super Hawk update. Started degreasing this filthy engine. Getting at it. Going great. We're ready to really assemble the front forks, get all of that put back together. And today was a big day. It was clear coat day on all the awesome silver bits on the Super Hawk. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to put any dust on them. But all of this stuff came out absolutely beautiful. Just going to let it rest. Let it chill. No craziness. No craziness. That's what we need to avoid. All the other blue bits are all done as well. Those are hanging, chilling, drying. Got the shocks. Got the front sanctions. That's all good to go. I've got a bit of a cleanup fest, getting ready to paint all of the different side covers. We talked about this on the last live stream, Thursday nights, 8 o'clock Eastern. Got to get at it. That's a big task. This is a big task, getting after all of this stuff, but also diving into the carbs. Got the ultrasonic cleaner warmed up, and probably going to be diving into some more carburetors. Still working through on that gauge back there. But today was just kind of a mini painting day. Getting that clear coat on was a big deal. Let's take a look at all the other bits. Let there be tires. Tires are installed on the CB77 Super Hawk. And man, I'm telling you, I'm getting really excited. This model kit, I had to get one for myself. I'm going to put one of these together too, I think. I don't know. It's freaking cool. And man, I'm telling you, it's all coming together really, really quickly. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to put those side covers on the tank. The tank is resting out in the garage. But yeah, man, we are getting there. All of this, all the parts, everything is coming together real quick. It's all getting laid out. Starting to prioritize assembly. That's really what I've been starting to think about. Look at that hub. Look at that hub shining down there. Things are going pretty well. I bet a bunch of videos are coming up because I'm going to start putting stuff back together. And there seems to be a little lack of a lot of really detailed CB77 content. So more videos coming soon. So there you go. Things are getting a little crazy and hectic in the Keep On Wrenching shop. Lots of good projects. And really, this is where I'm turning some attention to now that I've got all the bits painted. Time to start focusing in on that engine and dealing with that because we still have a whole shelf full. We got to do a seat. We're going to reupholster that seat. We're going to deal with that cylinder jug. Got all the parts to clean up. Lots to happen yet. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots to happen yet. So stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want yourself a cool free sticker, go ahead to keeponwrenching.com. And also, do not forget about that Facebook group, Keep On Wrenching Community Group on Facebook. Go and check that out. This is dirty. This one's real dirty. We're going to get it, though. It's got to get sanded down. It's going to get painted, man. There was paint on this originally, so Brian's going to be diving into painting side covers and engines. Hope you'll join me for the adventure. See you in the next video or live stream, everybody.